Are you struggling to verify your identity on Amazon KDP? Well, in this video, I will guide you on how to quickly and easily verify your identity on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Relax and watch this video till the end. What's up, geniuses? Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how to verify your identity on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. But before I get into the tutorial, if you're just tuning in for the first time on this channel, my name is Favor. I'm an online income coach, a tech savvy and a crypto trader. I coach people on how to make money online with their smartphone, and I share interesting tech hacks with tricks on this channel. If you're interested in learning more, then kindly give this video a like, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any updates I share on this channel. So to verify your identity, you need one out of this list of IDs. The number one is an international passport. The number two is a driving license. The number three is a national ID card. And the number four is a voter's ID. So whichever ID you have, you can use it to verify your identity. If your ID card is set, to verify your identity, just go over to your KDP account dashboard. Right now, I'm on my KDP account dashboard. So to verify my account, I'll just locate this area that says verify identity and click on verify identity. Wait for the page to load up. Once the page loads up, I'll change the country, which is the country that issued the ID. I'm from Nigeria, so I'll change the country from the United States of America to my country of citizenship. So I'll select Nigeria. If you are not from Nigeria, you can select your country of citizenship. Then for the type of ID, I'll click on it, then select the ID type I have. If it's a passport, an international passport, or it's a driving license, or an national ID, or a voter's ID, whichever one I have, I'll select. So I have with me my national ID card, so I'll select national identity card as my means of identification, then click on continue. Once I click on continue, so I'll just zoom in so you can see this. On this bottom that says having trouble with auto capture, take a photo yourself or upload an image of your ID. So I already have a photo of my ID, which is my national ID card, on my device, the front and the back image. So I'll click on the upload an image of my ID. So take note, if you are using you want to use your national ID to verify, you can't use for the Nigeria. I'm talking to the Nigerian now. If you're in Nigeria, you can't use your NIN slip, which is the printed black and white slip, because they won't accept it. You can only use the digital NIN slip to verify your identity on Amazon KDP. So if you don't have the national ID card, you can quickly get the national ID card by quickly installing this app on your device. The app name is NIMC app. So this is how the application looks like. Just download this application to your device and get your national ID from it and use it to verify your Amazon KDP identity. So now click on upload an image of my ID. Then I'll go to download, select download. Then I'll look for the ID, the picture of my front national ID. So once I select it, I'll click on continue. And right now I'll upload the back image of my ID. So I'll click on upload an image of my ID. Click on download and select the image. As I select it, I click on continue. And wait for Amazon to verify our ID. And that's it. As you can see, I have successfully verified my ID. You can see on this area it says identity successfully verified. So that's it on how to verify your identity on Amazon KDP. As simple as that. So I believe this video has helped you. If you got value from this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for more tips just like this one. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.